Greetings, students. It is now time for us to practice our printed handwriting. It is very important for us to learn how to print so that we can form our letters correctly and write faster and neater so that other people can understand what we are writing. Let's start with lowercase a and uppercase A. Uppercase A, we start at the top, diagonal line down to the bottom. Pick up your pencil, go back to the top, diagonal line to the bottom. Pick up your pencil, cross from left to right because we write in the direction of left to right. Here it is again, uppercase A. Now you try. Now it's time for lowercase a. Start just right below the dotted line. Make a C, close it up, and give it a tail. Here it is again. Make a C, or you could call it a bubble, close it up, and give it a tail. Now you try. The next letter is uppercase B. When we print, we usually start at the top of the line. Never from bottom to top, always top to bottom. So start at the top line and go straight down. Then pick up your pencil or pen, go back to the top, make your first bubble and your second bubble. There are no extra loops in print. Here it is again. Top to the bottom, pick up your pencil, go back to the top, first bubble, second bubble. Now this is my best B because my bubble stops at the dotted line. Now lowercase b. Start at the top, go down to the bottom. You don't have to pick up your pencil, go back up to the middle and make the bubble part. Here it is again. Top to bottom, back up to the middle and make the bubble. This is my best B because it stands up straight. Now you try. Uppercase C, start at the top or almost at the top because we want a little line before we get to the top. Come around and down. We want to make sure that C dips down, okay? We don't want to miss out on this part of the line. Here it is again. Okay, make sure you have that little dip there. That's why we start below the top line, go up to the top line, come down and around. Now you try. Lowercase c is just like uppercase C, but you keep your C below the dotted line. And if your paper does not have dotted lines, then just use half of the space. Here it is again. Now you try. Let's try uppercase D. Start at the top, never from the bottom. Go down. Now pick up your pencil, go back to the top, and make your bubble. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top, and go down again. Now you try. Now it's time for lowercase d. Start at the top and go down. Then just like the B, stay on that same line, go back up to the dotted line and make your bubble going to the left. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, go up to the middle and make that bubble to the left. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Uppercase E. Start at the top, go down, then make your foot the middle and the hat. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, go out, go to the middle, out, go to the top, out. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Now let's try our lowercase e's. Please pay attention carefully here. You start a little bit below that dotted line or below the middle of the space and draw a little line from left to right. Do not pick up your pencil. Now go up to the dotted line or to the center of your space. Come down and around and finish up the E. I never picked up my pencil or pen the entire time. Here it is again. Out, up, down, and around. One more time. Out, up, down, and around. Now you try. Okay, now it's time for our uppercase and lowercase f. It's a lot like the E. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top. Draw your hat and the middle line. Notice the top line in the F and the E and the bottom line here is longer than the line in the middle. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top, make the hat and then the middle line. Now you try. Now let's try our lowercase f's. Start just below the top line and go up like a candy cane and straight down. Then cross the middle from left to right. Here it is again. Candy cane. From top to bottom, pick up your pencil, cross the middle. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Now it's time for our G's. Uppercase G is just like a C. Then pick up your pencil, go to the middle, line out and down. Here it is again. Make an uppercase C and then pick up your pencil, go to the middle, line out and down. I like this G better because I don't have any empty spaces. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Now it's time for lowercase g. Start off like lowercase c. Close it up like an A. Come down but drop all the way down to the next solid line and make your tail. Notice how it hooks to the left. Here it is again. Make a C, turn it into an A, drop down, make your hook. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Now it's time for our H's. Uppercase H. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top, go down, cross the middle from left to right. Here it is again. Always starting at the top and going down. Cross the middle. Now you try. Now it's time for our lowercase h's. Start at the top, go down, stay on that line, don't pick up your pencil, kind of like the B and the D, go back to the middle and make one lump. And there you have lowercase h. Let's try that again. Start at the top, go down, go up to the middle and lump. Now you try. Now it's time for the eyes. Uppercase I, start at the top, go down, go back to the top, cross the top from left to right, cross the bottom from left to right. I call it a hat and a foot. Let's try it again. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top, make your hat, go to the bottom, make your foot. Now you try. Now it's time for lowercase I. You want to start in the middle this time. Start in the middle, go down. Pick up your pencil or pen, dot the I. Here it is again. Start in the middle, go down. Pick up your pencil, dot the I. Notice there's space between the dot and the I, the body of the I. Now it's time for uppercase and lowercase j. Uppercase J. Start at the top, go down, make your hook. Pick up your pencil and give him a hat from left to right, because that is the direction we write in. And when you cross letters from left to right, it will help you to move in that same position from left to right. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, make your hook, and cross the top. Make him his hat. Notice how my letters do not have a slant in them, unlike cursive letters. Now you try your uppercase J. Now it's time for lowercase j. Start at the dotted line, drop down to the next solid line, make your hook, pick up your pencil and dot the J, just like you dotted the I. Here it is again. Start in the middle, go down, hook it, and dot it. Now you try. The next letter is my favorite, uppercase and lowercase k. Uppercase K, start at the top line, the solid line, go down to the bottom line. Then pick up your pencil, go back to the top line like an H, but this time you're going to make a diagonal line going in. Don't pick up that pencil, and a diagonal line going out. Notice how the line goes in at the dotted line. Here it is again. Start at the top, go down, go back to the top, come in, tuck it in, kick it out. Here it is one more time. Now you try. Now it's time for lowercase k. Start at the top line and go down. Now that's the tall part of the K. For the other part of the K, go to the dotted line or the center space. Come in with a diagonal line and pick up your pencil again. Then go to the middle of that line and make your leg. That is lowercase k. Here it is again. Tall back, small diagonal line in, then pick up your pencil again, go to the middle, and make the leg. Now you try. Stay tuned for part 2 of printed letters.